Hi guys, today I have this thing that looks really similar to a Rubik's Cube. Not sure what it's called. But I'm going to try to mix it up and then solve it. So it's actually pretty smooth. Usually when you get some cubes, and if they're not the real Rubik's Cube, they aren't that smooth and it's like really hard to mix it up. So let me try this. So I'll mix it up now. It looks pretty mixed up. Not really that mixed up. It's back to regular. Now this is truly going to be mixed up. So now it's pretty mixed up, as you could tell, and I'll try to solve it, but as I said before, I've never done one of these before. Like, it looks similar to a Rubik's Cube, but I don't know if the same strategy as a Rubik's Cube will work on this. Seems to be working so far. So I got the top red and the green, but this is still mixed up. So anyways, that's how it looks like and how it works. And I solved this part, and I'll try to solve this, and if I could, I'll probably add that part to the video if I do it before I upload this, or I'll just put it in the description of whether or not I solve it. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment below.
Subscribe to TTTT.